Hi Year 1, hope you had a lovely half term. We're going to do some maths together today, so I wonder if you could just pause the video, get yourself a pen or pencil and a piece of paper, and then come on back. Okay, so let's have a go at warming our brains up by writing down as many number bonds to 10 as we can in 1 minute. So you can pause the video, ask a grown-up to time you for 1 minute, and write down as many of your number bond number sentences to 10 as you can. Off you go. Well done, how did you do? These are the number sentences that you could have written. So pause the video while you can see them and mark your number sentences. Add in any that you forgot. Now we're going to have a look at some different ways we can represent our number bonds to 10. So I've chosen this one, 8 add 2 equals 10. And first of all, I've represented this number bond using a tens frame. So that's just a rectangle split into 10 sections, and I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 dots in red, and I've got 2 dots in green, and we know that that makes 10. We can count them to check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 8 add 2 equals 10. My next representation is using pictures. So I've chosen to draw smiley faces, but you could draw anything you like. And I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 pink smiley faces and 2 blue ones. And we know that when we add 8 and 2 together, that makes 10. And finally, I've got a number line. My number line is from 0 all the way up to 10. And my starting number was 8, so I've circled it. And I've done 2 jumps. I've added 1 each time. 1, 2, and if I add 2, it makes 10. Now today we're also going to represent our number bonds using the part-whole model. And the part-whole model is when you take a whole number and you think about 2 parts that make that number. Okay, so we're going to start off by thinking about that same number sentence, 8 add 2 equals 10. So have a look here at my part-whole model. Here at the top I've got my whole number, which is the number we were making. It equals 10. And I've split my number 10 into 2 parts. And our 2 parts were 8 and 2, because we know that 8 and 2 added together make 10. And underneath here, I have written 4 different number sentences to show my thinking. So we can say 8 add 2 equals 10. 2 add 8 equals 10, because remember, it doesn't matter which way round we add the numbers, it still makes the same total. We can also start with the answer that it makes, 10, because 10 equals 8 add 2. Remember, that equal sign just means the same as, so whatever is on this side needs to equal the same as whatever is on this side. So we could also say 10 equals 2 add 8. So here's our number bonds, 8 add 2 equals 10, and our 4 number sentences that go with it. Now your challenge is to have a go at making your own part-whole models for the rest of the number sentences that we can use to make 10. So you might like to have a quick look back at that starter where we wrote as many as we could in 1 minute, and have a go at drawing your own part-whole model and filling them in with as many different possibilities as you can to make 10. Your extra challenge would be to write your 4 number sentences under each one. Off you go. Well done, I'm sure you've drawn lots of super part-whole models. Now your last challenge for today is to have a go at filling in some missing blanks in my part-whole models, but this time we're not making 10. We're going to use our number bonds to 10 knowledge to find number bonds to 20. So remember, that means we're adding in an extra 10. Now here are my 4 part-whole models. You can pause the video, copy them out, and fill in the blanks. Think carefully about how many you need to add to make 20. And look at this one here. You've got the 2 parts, but you need to find the whole. So have a go at those now. Pause the video. Okay, let's check them together. So this was our first one. We had 18 and we needed to work out how many more we needed to get to 20. Now I know that 8 add 2 equals 10. So 18 add 2 equals 20. Well done if you got that one. Our next one was 4 add something equals 20. I know that 4 add 6 equals 10. So 4 add 16 must equal 20. Now the next one was the question where we had our two parts, 11 and 9. I know that 1 and 9 equals 10, so 11 and 9 equals 20. And finally, this one here, there's a lot of different combinations you could have chosen. I chose 13 add 7, but you could have put 10 and 10 or another combination that you know, which makes 20. Well done. That's it for today, Year 1. Hope to see you soon. Bye!